Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the search is on for a woman who allegedly stole a 3-week-old baby in St. James. The police are seeking the public's assistance in locating the suspect. TVJ's Anthony Lugg has our story.
I'm here to tell you, say, please, I beg you, do not do me, baby, nothing. Just bring him back to me, do man, me, I tell you, please.
A desperate plea from Walton Evans, the father of 3-week-old Vernisha Evans, who was stolen from her mother after they visited the outpatient clinic at Cornwall Regional Hospital on Friday afternoon.
Medical appointment, the mother was outside in the parking lot of the hospital when she was befriended by a lady whom she was seeing for the second time. The lady convinced her to allow her to hold the baby whilst the mother went to the restroom. The mother handed the baby to this lady and went to the restroom. When she came back from the restroom, the baby and this lady was missing.
A report was made to the Mount Salem police and a search was launched immediately. Hours later, no sign of the baby. The police have since released this image of the woman accused of stealing the baby. She's described as medium-built and 5 feet 6 inches and was last seen wearing a multicolored dress and a pair of sandals.
God, why the reason? You have no reason to take me, baby, because you are not the mother. You don't see me, I have no family or nothing at all. Please, I beg you, care about my daughter.
The St. James police are asking anyone knowing the whereabouts of this woman to contact them.
The police is asking anyone who've seen any female in their communities with a baby who were not expecting a baby to contact the Mount Salem CIB at 952-3572 or the nearest police station.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.